Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this April 4th, Wednesday. A pretty busy day. We still got winter storm warnings to the north, winter weather advisories for north central and western areas. And again, heavy snow totals end up between half a foot and a foot of snow up north. And again, maybe some localized heavier amounts, about 2 to 6 inches over in north central, lower Michigan, up near Clare and Harrison, to the northwest of Mount Pleasant. About 1 to 3 inches more snow may fall tomorrow night. Now this morning we still may pick up another inch, maybe 2 inches in some areas. And again, a system moving off to our north tomorrow night into early Friday could bring another 1 to 3 inches of snow, especially I think in the I-94 corridor snow belt areas where they'll have some lake enhancement. And then maybe another mixed bag of precipitation early next week. We see cold continuing right on through next week. We may warm up into the 40s early in the week, but that cold air behind this next system will drop us back into the 30s. So again, a very un-April-like weather pattern, whereas we continue to see very cold temperatures into the middle of the month. Maybe some signs of some warmer temperatures coming beyond that. And you can see this morning, though, snow was flying very early on this Wednesday morning here at Ransom Road, but we'll see that snow accumulate again, maybe another inch or so. This is what it was like around 5 o'clock this morning, and again, we're adding to that a little bit. Yesterday, we had a high of 38, a low of 33 with 4/10 of an inch of precipitation, 4/10 of an inch of snow, now up to 43.5. Here we should be up close to 50 and 30 for normal highs and normal lows. But we haven't been anywhere close to that with so far for the first 3 days. We're averaging 13 degrees below normal. As far as the snowfall in the graphical format, you can see every other month was above normal. December, February, and I think April will end up above normal with the snow yet this morning, plus the snow Thursday night, and maybe another chance of snow early next week. I think we'll edge above that 2 inches, which is normal for the month of April. You can see temperatures out this morning in the upper 20s to low 30s, mid 30s across southeast lower Michigan and to the southeast of this line. That's where the most precipitation fell, with Jasper almost an inch of rain, 8/10 over at Blissfield, 6, 7, and 8/10 across southwest Ontario, and again about 2/3 of an inch at Marlette, as we had repeated showers and even some thunderstorms. We had thunderstorms in mid-Michigan area with some small hail, but again, more concentrated area of showers and thunderstorms moved across southeast lower Michigan. And you can see that on that satellite with the colder cloud tops streaming over southeast lower Michigan into southwest Ontario. And you can see the deformation band of snow that's going to be pivoting around this morning right through the entire area, again, giving many or most areas at least white on the ground here as we go through the morning hours. And you can see that on radar, that area of snow sweeping around that low pressure system now that's over in the southern part of Lake Huron. Cold northwest winds wrapping around that, bringing that snow into the area. And you can see that on this morning's weather map. You can see the low pressure system over with a cold front moving down to the south. And again, that cold air wrapping that snow around into lower Michigan as of early this morning. As far as that system for Friday morning, the low pressure system will be near Sault Ste. Marie with the cold front blowing past the area. That'll reinforce the cold air, and we'll have that wraparound snow again, bringing maybe another inch to 2 inches across much of the area. And in this area here along the I-94 corridor, we could see 2, 3, maybe in an isolated 4-inch amount. So more snow again for tomorrow night. And if we look at how much snow over the next 72 hours, some of this includes the very early morning snow across the area, but you can see much of the area, you can see 2 to as much as 4 or 5 inches of snow. And again, that'll be for what has fallen here since about 3 a.m. plus what'll fall over the next several hours and the Thursday system as well. So more snow on the way. As far as the forecast goes, a windy day today, gusty up to 35 miles per hour with some snow showers throughout the area, temperatures holding steady in the low to mid 30s, maybe slipping a few degrees. And then lows tonight down in the upper teens to around 20 with highs mainly in the 30s right on through the extended outlook. And again, that snow Thursday night with cold air following in behind it, we could see our temperatures again fall down near 20 degrees, maybe the upper teens. So a very cold early April pattern will continue across the area. As far as weather watch this morning, the winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, some of these I expect that we're going to see drop later on today, and then we'll see some new ones issued probably at some point, probably tomorrow morning for that next system that'll bring some snow across the area. We could have winter weather advisories with that across much of the area in western areas, and especially for northern areas. More winter weather advisories will likely be issued at time. And you can see wind advisories and high wind warnings off to our southeast. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day and 73s to all.